Good morning, everyone. My name is Alysha Mernick. I'm the president-elect of the California Art Education Association, faculty at CSun and Cal Arts, and an award-winning, nationally recognized art educator with over 15 years of classroom experience. I am now also the parent of a first grader in LAUSD schools. My concerns about iReady are not theoretical. They come from a career studying child development, pedagogy, curriculum design, and advocating for culturally responsive, accessible, and arts-rich instruction. Today, I want to speak specifically about research quality. iReady is research-based, but this is not the same thing as research-backed. The vast majority of studies iReady uses to claim efficacy are vendor-funded and measure growth based on internal diagnostics, growth that does not consistently transfer to state assessments. When we compare these marketing studies to independent, peer-reviewed research, the contrast is stark. Independent neuroscience and child development research consistently show that screen exposure undermines attention, comprehension, socio-emotional health. Child development and pedagogy experts around the globe agree that the most effective instruction for young learners remains teacher-led, hands-on, and deeply relational. No major body of research recommends replacing any social learning experiences with one-on-one devices. And yet, the district has issued a strongly worded IOC that pressures our educators to meet their weekly minutes on iReady. We need a clear, evidence-based, parent-facing edtech policy developed in dialogue with all stakeholders. And in the meantime, I urge LAUSD to immediately lift the recommended minutes outlined in past IOCs and stop tracking each school's compliance. Our classroom teachers and school administrators deserve the professional freedom to choose developmentally appropriate instructional tools free of pressure from above.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.